Why are we particularly concerned about injuries to the frontal lobe versus other parts of the brain? The frontal lobe is here, and it's what makes us human. So it is the most important part of the brain if you plan in the future to plan things, to make judgments, to do complex things, none of which can be done without a frontal lobe that works. Executive functions are those higher functions that we take care of. Planning, foresight, multitasking, things that aren't right in front of us. Animals can deal with what's right in front of them. Humans have the unique ability to think about the past and the future, and that only happens in the human frontal lobe. You can lose IQ points in a brain injury, but you can also lose executive function without losing IQ points. And so the insurance companies will say, this person has no difficulties. But it's like having a B-52, IQ is intact, with a driver, a pilot, who doesn't know how to fly the plane. So trouble can and will occur. The first person to be studied with a frontal lobe injury was the strange case of Phineas Gage, a miner who survived an explosion which drove a long iron bar completely through his head. He was the first person studied who had obvious frontal lobe damage. So what happened to Phineas Gage? He was blind in one eye, but otherwise walking and talking, but had a different personality. He was no longer Phineas Gage. He is now a more morally dissolute person by one current description. He began to gamble, cuss, mistreat people. All in all, less human, more animal. The road to legal recovery goes through braininjury.com. Thanks for watching.